Hello guys, welcome to our channel. This video teach you how to view your iPhone data usage since the last time you reset the data statistics. First, open setting. It's a great app with care that you will likely find on the home screen. Next, tap cellular. This option is near the top of the setting page. On phone that use the US English keyboard, tap mobile data. Next, scroll down the view the cellular data usage section. You will see two options listed below the heading run period, which reflect all data using since you last cleared your data usage statistics, and current period roaming, which show data usage for areas in which your phone was not covered by the carrier. For example, international travel. Next, scroll down to view list apps that use cellular data. These will be listed beneath to use cellular data for handling. Any app with a green switch to it right to able to use data. This number below and app's name reflect how many KB, MB, GB that app has used since the current period was last reset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.